Alright everyone, let's jump right into it. The SG Moto crew, which consists of our resident crap mechanic Adam, Mr. Quesadilla, and myself, decided that we would try our hand at vintage motorcycle racing. Damn, that Quesadilla looked good though. Primarily, it's cheaper than sport bike racing, and we're not going to feel too bad if the bike gets wrecked. Well, let's be honest. We picked up this 72 CB350 with a laundry list of issues, and we'll be restoring it to its somewhat former glory to enter into the Novice Historic Production class for the ARMA 2019 season. The 350, while not the fastest, is versatile, cheap, and eligible for other classes down the road. Let's show you what we've got. Alright, I know what you're thinking. But it's really not that bad. Let's give it a kick over with my garage flip-flops and see what kind of sweet compression-y noises she'll make for us. Well, I've heard engines make better noises, that's for sure. I didn't film it, but we took the rocker cover off the top end, and, well, you take a look.
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the f*** is that? God. Found the problem.
Alright, well, I don't know if you know this or not, but a snap timing chain is pretty not good. Like, really pretty not good. I took the motor out of the bike. I highly recommend you do this with a spotter if you decide to snap your timing chain like the rebel you are. Priority number one is going to be finding out what that motor needs and how pooched our top end is.
Background.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh.
Flip that head over.
Watch for the spring.
Hey, there's valves there.
Oh, there it goes.
Wow, the valves haven't hit the pistons.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Well, it looks like we might be in pretty good shape. The valves may be bent, but we'll figure that out later. There's some debris from the snap timing chain, so let's pull that out of the jug before we remove the cylinders.
That's clean as fuck.
After a couple of decades of sitting, these cylinders do not want to break free by means of conventional methods, but we'll make it happen.
Yeah, there you go. Forgive me, Father, for I've sinned. The old wood stank.
It's fucking working. Oh, so I can see it.
We successfully removed the cylinders. The pistons are obviously going to be replaced, but surprisingly, there is practically no damage. Now it is time to inventory what we need to replace and make some purchases. Luckily, we live really close to a junkyard, and we're able to score this 72 CB350 motor as a parts motor. Next video, we'll tear into that.
Hey, that's pretty good.